Good afternoon, everybody. I am here. I'm going to make an ATC for the Grumbacher themed swap, ATC swap. They do about every other month. They do a fun ATC swap where it is themed. They announce the theme. This particular one, I believe, is number 67, and the theme is monochromatic. So what they do each time they have a swap like this, you have to make one ATC in the theme, and you send it in, and they send you back someone else's ATC. And it's a lot of fun to play along with, so that is what I'm going to do today. Now, by the time you see this, the swap will be, this particular swap will be passed, because I don't want to show the finished ATC until the person who's getting it has it. So this will be coming out later on, but you will want to check out the fun the swap pages, because it's really a lot of fun when you play along. It's a lot of fun to do this, and I'm hoping that you'll hop over there. What I'm going to do is put the link to this swap in the description box below, and I hope that you'll check it out and maybe want to go and play along. On another swap, another day. And we're just going to see how this goes. I'm not sure. I may have done it the wrong direction. You know how that goes. Okay guys, so that was really a simple card. All I did was take a punch and make some waves and my ink and made waves and put a little of the ink in the sky, and then I made the same color ink and just made a real dark section and turned it into my little boat. So that's a monochromatic card. Now I did add the little figure in the boat. For some reason the boat just needed a person in it, and I did put it in with black, so maybe I'm not following the rules completely. I'm not sure. Monochromatic, the black and white, I'm not sure. If I'd had a turquoise marker, maybe I probably should have put it in there with a turquoise marker, but I don't really have one. So anyways, that is my monochromatic card for the Grumbacher swap. And guys, I really hope you'll check this out and play along. It is a lot of fun. It's simple to do. It happens every couple of months, so it's not a big commitment of time. And it is a lot of fun. So I am going to now read you a quote from my 1001 Ways to Creativity. If things don't seem to be flowing, switch your attention to a different project by all means. But don't simply give up and stop trying. Okay guys, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.